Guess what? Moths have a thing for your cozy sweaters and that secret snack stash. Today, we're looking at their favorite hangouts: the closet, your wool collection, and yes, the pantry. First step in our moth makeover, a tidy space. Give those closets a vacuum and those pantry shelves a good wipe down. Moths? They're not fans of cleanliness. Let's mix up our moth-repelling magic spray, starting with peppermint oil. Moths seem to dislike peppermint more than I dislike long lines at the coffee shop. And what's a spray without water? It's the perfect base to let our peppermint oil shine and keep those moths thinking twice. Just a drop of dish soap to bind the ingredients together. It's like the glue in our moth-repelling strategy. Mix a few drops of peppermint oil with water and a drop of dish soap in a spray bottle. Shake it like you're mixing a moth-deterring tonic. Spray around your closet, near your wool items, not directly on them, and pantry entrances. It's a no-fly zone for moths, but your clothes and snacks are safe and sound. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, pest-free home. We hope you found these tips helpful and empowering. Remember, you've got this. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your own tips, questions, or success stories. Your feedback makes us all stronger and smarter. If you enjoyed this guide and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Together, let's keep our homes safe and sound.